Hi guys, welcome to Fandom Newbie. I have the lovely Manpreet from Indian
Hello.
Booktuber with me, and today we're going to be doing the 7 Deadly Sins book tags. Are you excited?
Yes, very much.
Yeah, both of us love books, as you probably already know, so we thought it'd be fun to collab together. So let's start. So the first question is greed. It's based on the sin greed, and that is, what is your most expensive book and the least expensive book that you own?
Exactly. I own a book which is about Arunachal Pradesh, and it is for like 2,600 rupees. But I didn't buy it, so I don't think that counts. But I think my most expensive book would be like around 450 rupees after, if you don't count it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh God. My most expensive book was about 2,000 rupees.
Which one?
It's the Harry Potter illustrated book. Harry Potter and the
I don't buy
Philosopher's
so
Stone.
expensive books.
That one I had to buy because it was Harry Potter. So yeah, that was about 2,000 rupees, I think. That is my most expensive book. And least expensive?
And least expensive would be any book around 50 rupees which you get
that's
from
true.
used books shop.
I think I have like a very old Sweet Valley Twins book which I must have bought for some 40-50 rupees.
Nice.
That one. The next question is Wrath. Which author do you have a love-hate relationship with? Is there anyone who you hate? Maybe because I started out liking the books a lot and then I ended up not liking them so much. They were the Twilight books. Maybe Stephanie Meyer.
Mine would be also along the same kind of book. So I started with the House of Night novel series by P.C. Krishnadas, and I read 3 books, and after that it was like killing myself with those books.
Yeah.
So I love her for the first 3 books. They are like mother-daughter duo, and after that I hate them.
Yeah, same with Twilight. Like I liked the first 2 books, and literally the 4th book I was pulling my hair. Like I could not get through it. So probably Stephanie Meyer. Yeah. Next question is gluttony. What book have you deliciously devoured over and over again with no remorse whatsoever? Any book that you've read?
I don't reread books, but I have reread Brida a bit by Paulo Coelho. And then there is A Clash of Kings by George R.R. Martin. I didn't do it out of love. I did it out of frustration because whenever I reached like 250 pages, I lost the track of the story and I had to read all over it. And it was very bad. I didn't end up finishing the book.
Yeah, those books are very long. I haven't actually started reading them. I'm listening to them on audiobook right now, but I haven't actually read them. But for me, it would have to be Harry Potter. I've read each book about 50 times, and also Lord of the Rings. I've read those also about like 10 times each. But no remorse whatsoever. I'll read them again for another 50 times. Sloth. What book have you neglected due to laziness? Would it be Clash of Kings?
No, it's not laziness. I try to read it, but it's too long. I think the that book would be the second book in the Divergent series.
Oh,
I'm just bored
that was...
and not bored and just lazy to read it.
For me, out of laziness, what I've given up. Because I don't usually give up on books. Because, I mean, for me, it's like when I start reading a book, I have to finish it. I can't, like, not finish a book. But
I also keep them, like, yeah, I'll read it later.
yeah, exactly. I never give up on a book. But probably the one that took me the longest, it took me a month and a half to read, was the 4th Twilight book, Breaking Dawn. It literally took me a month and a half to finish reading it. So yeah.
When you don't like a book, it takes
exactly. It takes forever.
Years.
But yeah, that one was definitely my most like sluggish read. The next question is for Pride. What book do you most talk about in order to sound or look intellectual?
I talk about Brida a lot. I love it, but also I think, it's a very mature kind of book. So I'm like, people will think good about me if I talk about it.
For me, that book is Shantaram. Because everyone seems to love that book. I didn't like it so much when I read it, but I talk about it to sound very like intellectual. And
now you guys know.
The next one is for Lust. What attributes do you find most attractive in male or female characters?
I think in females I like strong characters
Yes,
which are
definitely,
very powerful.
definitely.
And in males they should be Harry.
For me also, in like any book which has a strong feminine lead, I absolutely love it. I think that's very necessary because there are a lot of, I don't know, just mainstream novels and movies that portray women in not a very strong way. So definitely strength. The last sin is envy. So what books would you most like to receive as a gift?
I love book series. You can send all the book series you want to me and I'll read them someday. So send it to me.
For me, because I don't want to spend like another 2,000 rupees on any book, so the other illustrated. So I think the Chamber of Secrets just released for Harry Potter, so the illustrated series, all of them that come from now on.
Or you
I
can just
wouldn't
go to a bookstore, stay there for like 5-6 hours and read the book and come back.
No, actually one of my friends did that. He finished the entire Harry Potter series by going to a bookstore and reading it at the bookstore. So that's
Only
not a bad
miser
idea.
people know such ideas.
Seriously. No, but the illustrated ones, I would like to own them. So if anybody wants to gift them to me, I'm like completely open to that. So yeah, that was the 7 Deadly Sins book tag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah. I like these questions. So
Yeah, exactly.
they were a lot of fun to answer. But yeah, that's it for today. Subscribe to Manpreet. Her channel is Indian Booktuber. Yes, I will link it around here as well as in the description below. So go check her channel out because she is amazing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to her as well.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel. Also, we're making another video on her channel today, so you can check it out when she releases it. Yep, that's it for now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.